Megaminx cube contest.
24th of September.
3 o'clock at Fernwood Forest Campground, 350 Longview Ave.
RSVP at 1413-212-4997 or 242-4997.
Yep.
And then 667-0298. Be competing in 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, Megaminx, and pyraminx.
And there'll be prizes for first, second, and third place in the 3x3.
It will be averaged on an average of 5. Soda and pizza will be provided. It's $5 to enter.
Yeah, and bring your own cube.
Alright,
Yep. RSVP. Yep.
Bye.
Bye.